Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store error code is 0x803f800a in Windows 10 or 11. So it is very easy to fix it. So firstly you need to search Microsoft Store and open it. Now click on this HP, this profile icon, and sign in your Microsoft Edge. And after signing, you need to close it, search, troubleshoot settings, and open it. Now other troubleshoots, just click on it. Now scroll down and this Windows Store app, click on run. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be complete. Now click on next. Now close it and click on apps. In this list, click on apps. Now click on installing apps and search Microsoft Store. This one, this Microsoft Store. You click on this three dots and advanced option. Now scroll down and click on repair. Now so data will be deleted, so click on reset and click on reset. Again click on reset and reset this Microsoft Store, and after restart you need to reset, close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart your all problems will be fixed. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.